So I was asked by someone if I could do a spiralized version of a watermelon. So that's what this is going to be. As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out in the washing machine until it's just damp. I am going to turn this one inside out since I'm ice dyeing it because I don't like to liquid dye, although there might be some liquid dye in this one. We'll see. I'm going to go ahead and mark off the general areas where I'm going to be dyeing, since there's a lot of rubber bands on this. So I'm going to use the same colors as last time. So it was scarlet for the red, and then I used new emerald green, sea glass, forest green, and bright green. So I'm actually going to mark this so that I know where the start is on each, and I don't accidentally skip wrong or something, because I'm not thinking. So we'll start with one of the colors and then rotate down. I am going to go ahead and ice dye this, and I think I'm going to go ahead and liquid dye the scarlet simply because I think it'll look better. You could actually go in, hold on, so this is all going to be red. You could go back in and go ahead and actually add some small spots of black here or after, and you'd be able to add some seeds, but again, I'm going seedless, so I don't have to do that. Alright, off to dye. Alright, okie dokie diddly doo. Alright, oh my god. We're going with scarlet, bright green, new emerald green, forest green, and sea glass. And these are all from Dharma, and the scarlet has been made up as a liquid. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, let that sit and melt through, and then we'll take a look. Alright, so the first round's melted through. I'm going to go ahead and add some soda ash, and then we'll add another layer of ice. All right, let that melt through, and then we'll do the washout. Let's go ahead and do the washout for this. All right, quick look. Looks like somebody stuck a watermelon in a blender. Off to wash it out. All right, here's the front and the back. So if you do this, I'd highly recommend green that doesn't have turquoise in it. It's really showing up in this one compared to the other. Okay, the other did have it in some areas, but not quite like this. Overall, I prefer the first watermelon that I did. I would have it here, but I think my son's been wearing it almost every day, so I can't really steal that for the video. This one, twisted watermelon, that's what I'm going with. Yeah, that's what I'm calling it, twisted watermelon. I did find out that another YouTuber did something incredibly similar to this, like shockingly similar to this, before I even did the spiral version. So I'm not sure if the person that requested that I do a spiral watermelon had seen that and then asked that I did it, but yeah. So there's more than one of these out here. The other one, I think they did actually put the seeds in it, and they used liquid, not an ice dye, and I think they used like 3 colors in total or something like that versus the 5 or whatever I used for this. So incredibly similar. Wish I would have been told that somebody else had done this before I was asked to do a spiral, but it is what it is. If you have any comments, suggestions, or any of that kind of thing, feel free to post it down below. Until next time, thanks for watching.